Yo, what is going on, guys? I hope you're all having an amazing day today, and in this video I'll be showing you a simple way on how to integrate a webhook into your Discord server. This is extremely simple, not much to it, so yeah, let's get right into it. So what you want to do first is go into server settings, go down to integrations, and then click create webhook. So this is pretty much going to create, pretty much show who it's being sent from in a way. So I'm just going to name mine Tom for simplicity purposes. Then as you can see on the left, you can also change the avatar, and you can also change which channel the webhook gets sent in if you have multiple channels in your Discord server. So click Save Changes and copy URL. Then head over to this website called discohook.org. This is safe, trust me, I've used it a ton of times, a bunch of people use it, it's really simple. So what you want to do is paste your webhook URL that you copied into the webhook URL, a little text box place, and then you can just type out whatever you want to be typed out, and then you go back, you got to exit out of this, and you can see it's not in webhook format, and that's not what we want. So you're going to go ahead and delete this message, then scroll down. You can delete whatever content you previously typed, and you want to click add field, or add embed, excuse me. And then as you can see, this will actually embed the webhook into your Discord server. I'm just going to type hello, and then in the description type hello and welcome to my Discord server. As you can see on the right, it'll actually show you what it looks like, and you can also change the color if you're into that. And then there's also fields. Now field, I don't really know what the purpose of a field is, but I guess if you want to add multiple pieces of content, you can add a field if you'd like. Then there's also, you can add images. You can also add a footer. I'm just going to type hello again, just to show you guys what that looks like. And then you can also add the author. My author is Tom, so I'm going to be typing in Tom. And then, yeah, pretty much once you're all done with that, got all you want, you can go ahead and click send, and that will send it over to your Discord server in the channel you selected. Go ahead, click back, and yeah, there you have it. That is the simplest way to get a webhook integrated into your Discord server. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like. Don't forget to comment if you want any more tutorials on similar stuff like this for Discord servers. And yeah, make sure to subscribe if you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you guys in the next video.